no. Alright, he's rolling up now.
Alright, Cars and Coffee
Cars and
was
Coffee.
fun. We're all going to Convoy now
Yep.
to a car show nearby. So let's go.
Let's check it out.
I guess you have a Valentine, huh?
What's going on?
Okay, 3rd annual VW Revolution car
Check it
show.
out. We're here, right?
numbers 947.
Really?
It's someone that was around us.
That's cool.
You guys were around us.
Wow. Yeah. Now I have to
Heck
clean
yeah.
it. Thank you very much.
958.
Nice.
Get over here and sweat with the rest of us.
You?
Oh, he's pushing the door.
940.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. 939. 939.
It's not you.
It's a setup.
Nobody? 943.
943. They were by us. They were by us.
943.
No.
951.
That's not the right.
Hey!
Okay.
No.
Last one to come. This is my 3rd year, and I'm happy because every year I got more people, and
Because we love you.
I got thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For hosting my
Oye, capullo.
Thank you everybody for showing up today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had fun.
Yeah, good time.
Yeah?
Me lo regalas a mí ahorita. El pollo.
number
People
23.
choice.
Gerali Colón. The people choice, you guys taking, who win the award. For the best air cool, Gerali Colón win to the best air cool.
Yeah. Is that the 69 split window?
And number 29, Mata with the dupla.
Woo!
Best air cool.
Follow me.
El mensajero.
Best engine, number 37. It's Shay or
Yep.
You just turn it
That's his buddy.
okay, so number 32, Wadi Rios.
Ah, se fue el kiosco. Se fue el kiosquito.
Best rims, number 37, 35, I'm sorry, Jota Diaz. ¿Quién es? Oh. Best water cool. Please, I need help. I think it's 17. J.
Jay, from State Farm. Woo!
Jonathan Otero. You, okay.
Hey, Jonathan!
Best interior, number 1, D. Martin. plate number 33. Yvette Paello.
Bravo, bravo.
Here. And Lucky, you made it. Jeffro.
For what I would.
You're lucky you made it award.
It's my favorite award. I can't believe it.
Behind you.
I have a top 15.
No hay ninguno para que bebe, para más que bebe.
José Vega.
Number 4, Ramon Velez. Number 5, Carlos Ruiz. Number 9, Wes Hartman.
Go West. Thank you.
Number 12, Maggie.
Sí.
Number 16, Brew Dub. Number 18, Jay Breezy.
Go Breezy.
Number 19, Melissa Ortiz. Number 22, Pablo Vasquez.
Fabio Vázquez. Pablo Vázquez.
Pablo. Pablito.
A lo mejor ya se fue.
Pablo.
Number 26, Quique Santos.
Quique.
Number 27, Luis Santos.
Talk to her. She's the one who does.
Number 28, Theo. Number 30, Alexandra Fontañez.
Pero está en la...
He just told me. Number 39, Dominique Linares.
Dominic.
Se fue.
Se fue.
Dáselo a otro.
Sean Colbert, number 7.
Sean. Number 7. Robbie Lopez. Thank you. Explícale a la gente que pues, I need to take one my my choice. I don't do that, but I'm just I need to take the best of the show. Gracias. Thank you so much. Thanks to you.
Thank you, Jocelyn.
Thank you, Joselyn. It's a major award.
We'll see you guys.
Winner, winner.
I think I need a.
It's an indicator you need to Wash your cars more.
I think so. What do you think, Nan? Another great show by Joselyn. Quite the turnout. Get it set up with Volkswagen, Wesley Chapel Volkswagen and Subaru, and they were able to team up with her. So got free food, drinks. I mean,
And won an award.
which was
How about that? She
Wow.
made these. Aren't they awesome?
yeah, great work. Talented. She did a great job with the show. So all in all, it was a great time, and
Looking forward to coming next year.
yeah.
We had an awesome time. It warmed up quite a bit. And, oh look, another bus.
Look at that.
Now it's time to head home, cool down, and are you going in the garage?
Yeah, you guys know it. The 61 is on a deadline. We're trying to get that to Buses by the Bridge next year. Got a lot of work to do, so I need the motivation. I got to get back to it. So this was a nice little hangout.
Now back to work.
Now back to reality.
See you next time.
Take it easy, guys. Peace.
She's so sweepy.
What a great start to the weekend. We went to Cruisin Coffee first, then we went to a Volkswagen show second. Now we're heading home. We're gonna do a little work on the 61 and maybe to a Mola here. Anyway, if you missed the videos on those two events, check out the videos. See a good time. Anyway, guys, have a great weekend. Enjoy, be safe, drive them Volkswagens, and we will see you guys on the next event. Peace.
Speaking of a mola,